Hello, great farmers. This is Success in Farming channel. I'm your host, Dr. Joseph Deji Furutile, founder of World Farmer Center, Lagos, Nigeria, and the publisher of Farming Advice Digest. In this episode of Success in Farming channel, I'll be discussing 4 creative steps for more productivity in farming. 4 creative steps for more productivity in farming. And I'm going to take the introduction directly from the Farming Advice Digest before I start discussing these 4 creative steps. Just like any business, farming should be taken serious if one is to make much of it in terms of productivity and profits. Contrary to what many think when we talk of productivity, I would like to approach it aesthetically or creatively through these 4 great steps. And before I do that, let me quickly introduce our major sponsor for this particular episode by the name Mid-Century Agro-Allied Ventures Limited. Mid-Century Agro-Allied Ventures Limited, based in Lagos, Nigeria. Mid-Century is a marketer of a lot of products for animal health and also for nutrition. A lot of products. And then we are looking at 3 of the products today. Treonine as feed additives, additive in your feed, and then yolk colorant as feed additive in your poultry feed, and also very powerful range of rat killers, about 11 of them on rat killers. To get these products from Mid-Century, please connect them on 080 3721 7975. 080 3721 7975. Mid-Century Agro-Allied Ventures Limited, based in Lagos, marketers of Treonine, yolk colorant, and very powerful range of rat killers with a lot of other products. Thank you, Mid-Century, for sponsoring this particular segment. 4 creative steps for more productivity in farming. Your host, Dr. Joseph Deji Furutile. Number 1, dream. Every progress begins with dream. You want to be productive for your farm, it starts with dreaming. Dream that it is possible. Dream seeing yourself being productive. Dream seeing your farm being productive. Dream seeing your farm, getting to 95, 98% productivity. Dream it. Dream it. If you can't dream it, you can't achieve it. Everything begins with dream. Dream, communicate this dream to your people, to your farm managers, to your farm attendants, to everybody. Dream that you want to be productive on the farm, because a farm that is not productive is going nowhere serious. Number 2, believe. Believe. When you dream, you have to move to believe. Believe that it is possible. Believe you can get to 90%. Believe you can get to 95%. Believe you can get to 98%. Believe you can get to 100%. Believe. One powerful writer that has influenced millions, Napoleon Hill, he said, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. So believe. Believe that what you dream is possible. It is when you believe that you then begin to take steps, which is taking me to the next step in increasing your productivity, that is, do. So believe, do. So begin to take steps. Take steps. Don't just say, oh, I have a dream to be productive, or I believe I can be productive, and then dreaming and believing is useless without action. So take steps. Take steps. Your taking step could be that you need to change your staff. It could be that you need to train your staff. It could be that you need to go to farm more often. It could be that you need to, train all the attendants. It could be that you need to ingest some money. But take steps. Take steps to be more productive. Take steps to be more productive. Start with dreaming, go to believing, and then start taking action. Dreaming and believing without action is useless. So take steps. And then number 4, repeat again. Repeat again. You see, every time you take steps, you get results, either negative or positive. Every time you take an action, you get results. So evaluate your results and then take steps again. So when you start dreaming, you believe, you take action, you get results. You repeat again, you dream, believe, do. Dream, believe, do. Repeat. Dream, believe, do. Repeat. Dream, believe, do. Repeat. This is a cycle you need to be going forward. These are strategic things I'm giving to you. If you do this, it makes you a strategic manager, a strategic farm owner. Dream, believe that what you are dreaming can happen, and then start taking steps. Then whatever you are getting, evaluate, then repeat the process again. This is where I'm going to stop today, and I believe as you put this into action, I can see you increasing your productivity and your profit. And I want you to please like the video and also share the video. Before I go, let me quickly tell you about World Farmer Center, Lagos, Nigeria. We also train a lot of farmers. Whether you're a poultry farmer, you're a pig farmer, you're a fish farmer, whatever farming you are doing, we can train you to become better. And also, we also have different seminars like poultry health seminar, piggery health seminar, poultry production seminar, poultry nutrition seminar, pig nutrition seminar. We also train farm managers. We also recruit for the industry. So if you need to get in touch with us, simple, just say yes, training. You can send it to 081 3521 9966. Yes, training. Yes, training. Send it to 3521 9966. And of course, put your name and your email address. Once again, your host, my name is Dr. Joseph Deji Folutile, publisher, Farming Advice Digest. I'm signing off. Thank you very much.